Hi lovelies, welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing with you amazing way and easiest way you can pound your yam using blender. Stay tuned and keep watching. Let's get started. To begin, I have one tuber of yam already cleaned, washed. Now I will be drying the yam with some paper towel. Next, I'm going ahead to start slicing and peeling the skin off the yam. Please, if you haven't subscribed or followed this page, follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So next, I transfer the yam into a bowl of water so it doesn't change color. Once that is done, I added in some salt and gave it a properly wash. Then transfer in the yam into a clean pot. I added some water to the level of yam in the pot. Cover and let it cook until it is soft. Now let's check on our pot. I took one of the yam out to check if it is ready. Once the knife goes through it easily, it is done. So the next step, I drain out the water. Next is to transfer few pieces of the yam into the blender and start to blend. But if you have a low wattage blender and simply don't want it burnt out, you can lightly smash the yam with a fork to make it easier for your blender to pound the yam and blend until it's smooth. And we are done pounding the yam. Look at how smooth it looks. I think I prefer using the blender because it makes it more easier and fast. So the next, I scoop out the pounded yam from the blender into a bowl and start to wrap it up immediately so it doesn't dry up. And we are done. Our pounded yam is ready and very smooth. Yeah, it can be served and enjoyed with egusi, bitter leaf soup, banga soup, or any Nigeria soup of your choice. Guys, I'm enjoying mine with my ogbono soup. Thank you so much for watching and remain blessed. Bye.